Honestly, it really is my soul's purpose. And given my mom told me way back when I was in my early 20s, she said, you know, Erin, God gives people certain gifts and you're not using your gift. I hope you get back to it someday. And I was thinking at the time, and I know she was thinking at the same time, that it was my singing voice because I sang often and they spent a lot of money on my vocal cords. And I still enjoy singing and hope to get back there at some point. But it really was, I thought about it when I was in my late 30s, 39, 40, 41. It hit me that it isn't my singing voice, it's my soul's voice. It's the words that I'm speaking and I'm sharing with people individually and in groups and in front of audiences that is that God-given voice. And I need to be of service to others by sharing it. Thank you so much for having me here today to be present with you, to be mindful with you, to be authentically myself with you. And it is my intention for everyone to feel the authentic self within themselves and to heat up some liquid love.